The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the side panel. Remove the bolt using a 7/32 socket. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1045 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. You can rotate the filter as needed, but ultimately the hard sides need to be on the top and bottom with the pleats vertical. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the side panel. It locks into the tab, which helps further secure it to the wall.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.